Okay. Penguins? Oh my god, they're all everywhere. God. Oh my god. What did I just find? Jesus Christ. Oh my god, what is this? Oh my god. I don't have any pier. What the fuck is going on? Oh my god. This is the funniest shit. Oh god, it smells like shit now. Gross. Oh my god. Oh my god. Squawkity, 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 squawkity. Oh god, this pallet's here. He's the ugliest bird I've ever seen. I love him. Rev the engine. Oh my god. Nature! Oh my, I'm not running him over. But this is just so damn funny. I hate these things, they ruin the pier. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, the pier is all covered in shit thanks to these little fucks. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love this. Best day of work ever. Oh god. Oh god.